Hello everyone. Today our group will explain about the topic loss of biodiversity. We're gonna elaborate more about the design strategies to overcome the issue. This is our group members. We have Hannah Raihana 215241, Nur Nadia Balkis 216580, Nur Sabrina Nisha 216396, Nur Hamiza 216322, and me, Shazadini 217046. What is biodiversity? Biodiversity is actually a short for biological diversity. It refers to the variety of life on Earth at all levels of organization, including the variety of species, ecosystem, and genetic diversity within species. Biodiversity loss. The loss of biodiversity often attributed to human activities such as habitat destruction, pollution, climate change, and overexploitation of resources poses significant challenges. Conservation efforts aim to preserve and restore biodiversity to ensure the continued functioning of ecosystem.
The first design strategies to overcome lack of biodiversity is green roofs and vertical gardens. The definitions of the green roof is it involves covering building rooftops with vegetation, while vertical gardens are living walls of plants attached to vertical surface. So here is the pictures of the green roofs and vertical gardens. How does these green roofs and vertical gardens can overcome lack of biodiversity? It encouraged the incorporation of green roofs on buildings and the installation of vertical gardens on walls. These features not only enhance aesthetic but also provide habitats for various plants, insects, and sometimes even small animals. Green roofs can also contribute to insulation, energy efficiency, and stormwater management. What does the benefits of the green roofs and vertical gardens? The benefits of it in biodiversity is it creates microhabitats for insects, birds, and even small mammals. The benefits in air quality, the plants can absorb pollutants, contributing to improved air quality. And the last benefits is in temperature regulation is green roof can act as insulators, reducing heat absorption and also can lowering indoor temperatures.
So the next solution for solving this problem, which is lack of biodiversity, is by providing and creating biodiversity-friendly infrastructure. Biodiversity-friendly infrastructure means building things in a way that help nature and animals. For example, making walls with plants, using glass that birds can see, and planting flowers that insects like. These things make home for different animals and plants, and also make the city look nicer and cleaner. Next, the problem is habitat loss and fragmentation are among the main threats to biodiversity, as they reduce the amount and quality of natural areas where different species live and interact. This can lead to population decline, genetic isolation, and extinction of many species. So, the solution of this problem is biodiversity-friendly infrastructure, which tries to solve this problem by incorporating design elements that support and enhance local biodiversity, such as green walls, bird-friendly glass, and insect-friendly landscaping. These elements create habitat for different species and minimize the negative impact of urban development on local ecosystem. They also provide benefits for human well-being, such as improved air quality, climate regulation, aesthetic value, and recreation opportunities. This biodiversity-friendly infrastructure is therefore a win-win solution for both nature and people. So, this is a few examples of green infrastructure that we can plan when we can do in a city's area.
Hello, my name is Hannah and my number matrix is 215241. Here, I will explain about the next design strategies of how to overcome the lack of biodiversity in urban environment. So, another design strategies is the green corridors. What is green corridors? It refers to linear stretches of vegetation that often integrated into urban planning that connect and enhance green space within an urban environment. And what is the purpose of these green corridors? The primary purpose of a green corridors is to provide aesthetic, environmental, and recreational benefits to urban residents while contributing to the overall sustainability and biodiversity of the urban landscape. The next one, I will explain about the components that include in the green corridors. Green corridors often consist of a variety of plant life, including trees, shrubs, and ground cover. These spaces contribute to the aesthetic appeal of urban environments while offering ecological benefits. Here, the function of the green corridors. The first one, it mitigates urban heat island effects by providing shade and cooling. Second, it enhances air quality by acting as a natural filters for pollutants. And the third one, it creates recreational space for residents. And the last function, it promotes biodiversity by supporting various plant and insect species. The last one, I'll explain about the urban planning that involves the design of organization and development of urban areas, that including cities and towns. The first one, it integrated into city planning to promote sustainability and environmentally friendly development. And it may involve retrofitting existing space or incorporating green features into new developments. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nur Hamiza Designer, and my matrix number is 216322. I want to explain about community lead conservation initiative. Community lead conservation initiative involve the active participation of local residents in effort to preserve biodiversity. So, the importance of community engagement is engaging communities fosters a sense of stewardship and responsibility for local ecosystem, resulting in sustained biodiversity conservation. And next is implementation strategies. Okay, to encourage community involvement, initiate educational programs, organize tree planting events, and facilitate citizen science projects. The last one is empowering residents. Empower residents to actively contribute to the preservation and enhancement of local biodiversity. Thank you. As a conclusion, to address biodiversity loss, implementing design strategies like green roof, vertical gardens, eco-friendly infrastructure, green corridors, and community-led conservation initiative is paramount. This solution offers hope by creating urban spaces that prioritize nature and foster a harmonious coexistence. It is our shared responsibility to turn the tide on biodiversity loss with careful urban planning and community action. That's all from us. Thank you.